Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. What am I expecting on GU? I'm just going to do a quick recap on GU based on my previous price action. So what was I predicting on GU guys? I was predicting a push to the downside on GU, and I said there is a because we were around this area right here. I said there's a possibility for GU to push up to this trend line right here, which is my 78.6% fib level, to retest that trend line to give us a possible touch before tanking to the downside, right? And my TP was 1.26335 and 1.26143. That was my TP. And I said if we don't get up to this level right here, we might just push up a little bit to possible my 38.2% fib level before tanking to the downside to hit my TP, right? But as you can see that the market actually went up to my 78.6% fib level, right? But extended a little bit and started rejecting off of my 88.6% fib level. So it practically just gave us the third touch of the trend line before tanking to the downside. And as you can see that when we tank to this downside, it exactly hits my 61.8% fib level, which is 1.26143. so the market was amazing this time around. Like GU was great, DX was great, and good was great as well. So now guys, I'm going to delete all this and just reanalyze based on the current price market right now. So now that we have hit my negative 61.8% fib level, let's see how the market is gonna play out, because I'm still predicting it to continue to push to the downside. So let's delete this fib right here. Okay, let's go to more bigger time frame. Just like I like to analyze like that, and we can see that the market is giving me this beautiful momentum of sell. So certainly my next target for GU will be my negative 27% fib level, which is 1.25528. That is my next TP, because we can see on a daily time frame it's showing me the momentum of a sell, and that is much more accurate and has higher probability of actually playing out in a smaller time frame. So the higher the time frame, the higher the confluence of the time frame, right, the more probability is going to work on a smaller time frame, right? So that is what I like to do, a top-down analysis, just to see like the overall analysis of the markets for much more insightful prediction. So now guys, let's see right now, let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see how the market is. We can see right here, so we can see right now, what am I predicting, right? I'm predicting some sort of like a push to the upside. We can see the market goes in like impulse, a correction, and a continuation. So I'm expecting some sort of like an impulse before we continue to push to the downside. So I'm going to draw a mini fib right around here. Right here would be my mini fib, point A here to point B. So let's see how the market plays out, because I have different scenarios. Let's go to much smaller time frame and see. Let's go above that. So we can see right here that the market, let's adjust this right here, 30. So now, right, let's see how the market plays. If I use my fib from here to here, 37, 38, okay. So first of all, my prediction is we might push to my 23.6% fib level before tanking to the downside. Certainly that is my first thought, right? But if in case, so I have different scenarios, to be honest, right? So my second scenario is if we push to my 23.6% fib level and we don't reject around that area, right, then my prediction is we might push a little bit to maybe around this area right here, or around this area right here, before we start rejecting, right? And if we get to my 38.2% fib level and we don't reject around that area, certainly my next target is my 78.6% fib level, because we can see that is when we had our last break of structure, and there is this imbalance around this area right here that needs to be filled. So it just made sense for me to, if it doesn't work around 38.2% fib level, my next target is certainly around 78.2% fib level. So those are like the scenarios I am working with right now. I'm just gonna draw them right around this area. So right, I think we might push up a little bit before tanking to the downside, and this will be my first TP right here, which is 722. That will be my first TP. Or like I mentioned, we might push up a little bit to this area right here before tanking to the downside. That's my second scenario, and like I said, if that doesn't work, let's see 78 before tanking to the downside. So those are my thoughts and overall, right? This is the overall TP for the bigger time frame that I'm looking forward to. Right, there is what I'm looking forward to, right? So this would be my TP1. TP1 will be 1.25722, and TP2 will be 1.25528, which is my overall TP. And so I'm certainly hoping it gets to my TP2. So guys, that is my thought as of right now on GU. Let's see how the market plays. I'm certainly more biased towards a sell, but let's see where the market is going to reject from for us to actually start taking TP from. Just from here to here, right, is a good peeps, 79 peeps right here, peeps, and that is a good one, right? So we can actually see that it's everywhere matters, to be honest. If we get to this level before tanking to the downside, there's enough peeps. If we push up a little bit before tanking to the downside, there's enough peeps. If you even push upward here before tanking to the downside as well, there's enough peeps. But we can also see right here break of structure, right? The previous structure, break of structure. So certainly it's just giving me more of a sell vibe, right? We just have to be patient and gather more data to know where our retracement is going to stop, and that is where the help of Fibonacci helps, where it retraces and it's going to stop for us to now continue to continue our direction, right? That's all we are trying to like figure out right now. And I think let's see how the market plays and get that data to see where our next TP will, our next target to be. So that is my thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful and insightful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, comment, like, share, like my videos if you enjoy anything or gain one or two things from it. To really help my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to put comments right there and just let's communicate down there. Share your thoughts. I share my thoughts. If you have any questions, just put it down below and I'll do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching.